What's up, guys? Today I am going to be doing a video on a circuit that I made. A very cool circuit. This circuit specifically, it is a spinning effect that is done on 6 LEDs, and it's a pretty simple circuit, and I thought I'd show you guys how to make it for yourselves. Let's go! Okay, so here is the circuit up close. I have my breadboard power supply here, so I'm just going to plug it into the board. It's just on 5 volts. Okay, I'm going to put this piece of foam over the LEDs here so it shows up well in the camera. Alright, so I'm going to turn it on now. Look at that. Isn't that cool? 6 LEDs, and it's doing the circling pattern. And the foam here is just so that you can see it well, because without the foam, it's a bit harder to see. Now I'll show you how to make it yourself. So this is what you will need. A breadboard, 3 resistors, a 200 ohm resistor, a 22 kilo ohm resistor, and any resistor between 1 and 10k ohms, just to vary the speed however much you'd like it to be. A capacitor, 4.7 microfarads is what I'm using. A 4017 decimal counter. A 555 timer, of course. And 6 LEDs. Whatever color you'd like. I'm using blue. And then a whole lot of wires. That should be enough there. And, well, you need something to power the circuit as well. I'm using this breadboard power supply. You can really use anything. 5 volts is just a good voltage to use, though. I would recommend that. So now, let's build the circuit. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, because I plan to do more videos like this in the future. If you did like this video, go ahead and press that like button and subscribe, because I do post every week. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.